No, it's not visible.
Now, is it visible?
Yes. Just a minute blank. Yeah, it's visible now.
So what I did from the project itself, whatever you checked in, so from here repository, I did the clone, right? From here, clone in
Okay.
VS Code.
Yeah.
So code is here right now. Code is here
Okay.
right now. So what to do next? How can I check in my mobile it's running or not?
Okay. So first, you have to press you are using Windows system. Press Control J.
Yeah, I'm using Windows.
Yeah. Press Control plus J in VS
Control
Code.
Z.
Control J J.
J. Okay, it's
Yeah.
terminal, right?
Yeah. Terminal. Write npm install because npm packages are not there in Git repository.
This one, right? npm
Yeah.
install.
Yeah.
Okay. So, so you are using latest npm and latest React, right?
Yeah. npm latest.
Yeah,
Node.
you are Node, npm, everything has the latest version, right? Are you using?
Yes. 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 Node 12. I think Node 12 is using. I'm using
Okay.
and React Native 63.2.
Yeah, I checked that one last time you told that thing.
Yeah.
But Anurag was asking today morning that from this part, can we do? We have the two platform, right? One is Android, one is iOS. So we
Yeah.
can build APK for both sides, right?
Yeah. For Android, you get APK, and for iOS, you get IPA. Okay.
Okay.
Now
So
you have.
that
Now you can
now
Gchat application. Now run the command uh, React Native, React hyphen native
React hyphen native and
space run hyphen
Android, right?
Android. Yeah. Do you have set up React Native in your system? Yeah, you are having.
Okay, a lot of projects are run already. Like Uday did, Anadip did.
Have you
So
connected your phone or any?
yeah, my phone is connected.
Okay. Using Visor.
Um, Let me open by that then. That's great.
Maybe we have to run this project in Android Studio first because in this project my system local properties are there, but I think it should
Let's
be for your system.
let's see. Let's see.
Starting daemon idle.
Anurag was asking to yesterday that how much you did. So that is why I need to show Anurag today evening that
Okay.
what is the progress that
Today
you
I will
have to do.
today I will provide you APK as well as IPA to test.
Okay, okay, that's all fine.
Yeah.
Let me configure this. Then later on, then if it is configured right now properly, then later on I can take latest from a pool, and then I can run npm, right?
Yeah.
Run React Native. Then all fine, right? No need to configure
Yes.
again, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Only first time we need to configure the system.
And also for sockets side, whatever you have all fine, but what socket side we need to change something that change I will provide you tomorrow so that you can configure it properly again, because last time we discussed that
Yeah. Yeah.
right now see there is some complexities will be there, means there is one class, right now
Yes.
we are using class right now, means you are
Yes.
in sixth standard, right? But in
Yeah.
sixth standard you have six subject, and for six subjects there are six classes classroom. So we need to work for the classroom right now. So right now we are using class, and I need to change that API so that you can start working. You can change that particular thing. Not a big deal for you. Only one line change would be, or two.
Yes. Yes. I
That
will
will be done.
make the
So
project accordingly. Yeah.
so right now it's showing the problem failed. So what to do
Yeah.
next then?
Uh, Run with CLI. Let me check the error. Can you please fail to install the app? Make sure you have Android development environment. Your ADB is not set up. Can you please run the command ADB? ADB.
B or V?
BB.
ADP. Okay.
Yeah. Click enter.
Enter.
Yeah. ADB is there, but why should it throw
Last
an
time you
error?
configured ADP. I think you
Yeah.
need to
Please
um,
open the project in Android
add
Studio. Maybe
studio.
that is the issue of local properties.
Yes, yes. Yesterday we same thing we had, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's
Because see, there are some local properties in Android folder. Uh, Expand the Android folder here. You can check local properties of my system up here. You need to
okay.
update the local properties.
Android folder. What is the local property? This one, Gradle property, right?
Yeah, Gradle properties, and these are the properties of my system. You need to update this.
Okay,
So
okay.
open
So
open it
let me
in
open.
Android Studio.
Okay, it was opening the yes start this project. Okay. For now, I need to go to open and go to the path, right?
Yeah,
Path is refresh. This is the path. Now Android, right?
Android.
This one.
Yeah, Android. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, this window.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's building.
yeah,
So for generating the APK, you need to send me the JSK file, right? You need to put the JSK file, right?
yeah. It's keychain file, keychain access,
Yes, yes, yes.
JKS file.
Yes. So how you generate JSK file?
There are two ways to generate JKS file. One is from the terminal in VS Code, and from you can also create that file from the Android Studio as well. But I will
Okay,
create
but
it from the terminal.
okay, but one thing that last time I asked Nardeep, but Nardeep was busy that time. So whenever you create that JSK file, just better you can do from my side so that I can learn that thing. Because I don't know how to create the JSK file, JKS file or what.
Whenever I create a JKS file, then I will let you know the steps how to create it.
Better today you will just check in the things or the things at evening, because at evening I was returning home because I am right now in Kolkata. So that is why maybe I not be there that time when you are about to leave. Okay, at evening. Better you send me the check in the code. I can run from my side. But for JK's file, so tomorrow when you come online morning, you will show me at my desktop.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Okay then.
Uh, you need IPA as well today, APK and IPA iPhone application,
No, no,
both,
no,
or
no,
you need only Android?
no. Only see, you will check in the code. I'll run from my mobile. That's it for now.
Okay,
Tomorrow we'll do all the things because today I'll in Kolkata right now. So I have to go back to my home. Okay, because
okay,
I don't have internet connection that much strong here. So
okay,
tomorrow morning when I was there at my home where I have broadband connection, then I'll check all the things from your side, and you will help me to learn.
okay, sure.
Ramnath
Today
asked me
just,
that time, Nadeep,
yeah,
yeah,
today
Nadeep is
just I
busy
will just check
in
the
two
code.
different projects. Yes, Nadeep is busy in two different projects, so that is why Nadeep for him quite impossible to show all the things. That is why I'm asking him.
Okay, no worries.
So it's downloading, right? Still downloading other things.
Yeah, it will take time, around 5 to 10 minutes. Might be.
Yeah, maybe because if it is broadband connection, it will be 1 minute job. But right now I'm using mobile internet connection, 4G.
That's why it is taking time.
It's not 4G. Companies are saying 4G. It's only not 4G is 3G. The speed.
Companies are saying much more things,
No, no,
but
no.
actually
It's
they did not
not
provide.
upon the not only the company, because I am from telecom as a telecom engineer, so I know what about the load distribution.
Yeah, there
Company
are several
profit.
connections.
Yes, company don't have that much profit. That is a load distribution they cannot manage with that budget, and that is why the some location you will get 4G connection, some location is 4G speed, and some location you will get 2G speed.
Yeah, it's depend upon the number of connections.
Yes, load not only connection, load distribution. So base station is
Okay,
important. It may be a
okay.
lot of connections are there, but if the bandwidth are not properly distributed because of less amount of instruments over there, or the
Okay.
strength, that is why if you'll see they sometimes you'll see there some, if you go to the village or number of people are not there that much, but if you see over there, sometimes you get more speed than urban area.
Yeah,
In metro is different. Some places you'll get a good speed. Some places you are getting some very low speed. Even at right now, people are working from home, right? Most of people. If you
yes, yes.
see at evening or at after 9 or 10 p.m., it's a good speed, around 30 Mbps connection speed. But
Okay.
sometimes it fall down.
Yeah, because most of the people are working from home during their working hours.
Yes. But I was lucky enough because before, while I had postpaid connection in Vodafone, I was about to change, and that time lockdown happened. So I didn't change the plan. I can't change the plan that time. So what happened? I faced the problem that Geo is good, not bad, but because of the lockdown, a lot of people are there in Geo, right? The
Yeah,
speed drop there in Geo. It would be 10 Mbps connection speed over there in Geo. But in Vodafone, I'm getting 30 Mbps connection speed. And that is why
that's
I'm
great.
on the profitable side.
Yeah, that's great. Geo does not provide that much type of speed.
You provide. But what happened? Sometimes that time of lockdown when it happened, that time people start working from mobile. Everyone. Right now, it's everything is come back to normal. But initial days, it was not same. Even that time it happened one disaster in West Bengal. You heard that Amphan that happened
Mm,
on a lot of places are damaged here. Even
yeah,
Odisha, West Bengal damaged, or a lot of places damages. So we are in
maybe,
the same place.
maybe there are some flood type disaster. I think so.
Yeah, we are far away from Kolkata, 20 almost 50 kilometers away from Kolkata. That is why the problem didn't happen here that much. But
Okay.
Kolkata and below the closer to sea level, they are facing a lot of problem.
Yeah. So
That time the connection electricity was not there, but at my locations we are in favorable position because my in-laws house are not far away from my site, right? It will be 1 kilometer away, so
okay.
I manage here and there, sometimes this place, sometimes this place. So that is why I manage someone.
Yeah,
that that time
that's
that time Saurabh
beneficial
was
for you.
what. Yeah, that time Saurabh was working with me.
Okay.
Saurabh and I think um, Rahul, right? Rahul. Saurabh and Rahul, right? Your team member?
S- yeah,
Rahul.
Saurav is there. Yeah, Saurav and
Rahul.
Rahul.
Yes, yes. They worked with me that time. Okay, so
Okay.
it's built successfully. So what to do next? Then again run.
You can click. You can build from here. You can click on run button. Run option.
Run option. No, yeah, it's all fine. If I do from here, is it possible?
Yeah, you can also check from
Let's
there.
try. Let's try here. Let's try here.
Run the same command. Yeah.
So did you work on video calling conference application?
Uh, I did not work on that type of application.
Wherein maybe
I
Anurag
know
will
how,
may ask in future
I know
because
how to
this is
work.
a chat. Yes, you will do some study at your leisure time, but it will be the next trend, right?
Yeah, I have to
Because
because
I
most
tried this.
are using the same. Most of the application using the same process like video chatting and video calling and audio calling is.
That is what I'm asking you. It may happen in 1 month. Anurag may ask. So if you are comfortable enough, then you can start working on this thing. Because I tried, I did did study on Node.js here and there from some YouTube video and check there. Video conference is possible through Socket, and
Yeah,
that.
it's possible through socket.
Yes, and also I checked there. I tried local, and Google Chrome was working properly over there. So that is why I'm asking you.
Okay, I will build demo
In
apps
let
in my time.
Yeah, no, no, it's for you. Don't do anything for Anurag because it's. I am asking you for your
Yeah, it's
if you are
beneficial for
expert
me.
enough
Uh,
for you. Yeah, if you know that thing, then in future, Anurag will ask
that
Rakhi to, so Rakhi will give the project to you. That is I'm asking
yes.
you.
Okay, okay, okay. No worries.
In later time, you will just study, do
Yeah,
some
that's
um, things that which help you to learn that.
right now I'm working on some DevOps things. That's why I did not get the time. App is built at 6 successfully, but not showing in your phone.
Yeah, yeah, just I'm refreshing that one. So it's connect, it's doing loading this. So we at weekend, what you used to do? Spending time with family, friends, or doing some
The
study for your.
most of the time I will going to my hometown. Oh, just a minute. Can you make one changes
Yes.
in this code and rerun the application? Uh, Please expand this source file as src folder.
Yes. Now.
Here is a option called routes. Did you find any
Yes.
routes?
Yes.
Please expand the
Now.
routes. I'm
Did
not able to.
already.
Yeah.
Routes
Initial route
index.
name. Yeah. Copy this splash
Which
and
one?
mention this
Which
one.
one?
No, no, no. Behind. No, no, not this one. Copy the splash keyword from there. Yeah, this one.
Copy.
Paste instead of messages. Yeah. Paste initial route name. Initial route name instead of message.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah. Then save. Control S.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open. Open. So okay. So here you are doing what? Here two things. This is okay.
Input field.
Okay, and password, right? So you
Yeah.
are doing some random things, right? Here.
Yes.
So if I
The
do
whole
some random,
designing is on native base.
yeah. So if I do connect, then it will connect, right?
Yes. It will. It is
Redirect.
just a design. Then you simply click on this, and here I have to put the messages screen. Right now I'm
So these
working
two
on the
screens
header.
are ready, right?
Yeah.
These two screens are ready, right?
Yeah. These three screens. Splash screen. In the auth, you can check in the auth login and enter code screen, and in the main there is a message screen, and also I have built a components, common components which are used further in application.
Okay.
Right
Okay,
now
all
I'm
fine.
working
Then
app header.
okay, okay. Then all fine. You can continue at your end. It's all fine. It's running from my mobile. So
Yeah.
continue at your end. And when before you leave, just checking for a stable version. When at night I'll check, and tomorrow morning you can create the JKS file and then create the APK and for
Yeah.
Android, for iOS,
Yeah.
for
IPA.
IP.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Okay. Thank you, Kalyan.
Welcome. I'm ready for the discussion. So, did you check in the code?
Yeah, I'm checking it. Just a minute. Give me just 2 minutes. Yeah, done, Kalyan. Please check out the code.
Okay. So, let me take list, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, for taking the latest, so I need to check, push the code here. Last time it changed, right? This code.
Yes.
So, I need to push the code, right? First.
No, you need to pull the code.
But yesterday I changed the code here, right?
Yeah, you can discard that changes because it done from my side.
Discard changes.
That change is just for testing.
Okay. So full. Okay. So change the scheme. So now I need to run the code, right?
Yeah, you can you please share your screen?
I share all. Okay. So I share my screen already. Can you see my screen properly?
Yeah,
Okay. So so I need to run the right. Run that one.
yeah. React Native run Android.
React Native run Android.
Yeah.
So it's showing unable to load the script.
Yeah. Just a minute. Enable to load. Make sure your Metro server running. I think there is an issue of local properties because local properties of my system is uploaded in the Git.
Okay. So
You need to open the project in Android Studio.
okay. Just wait. Let me uninstall first.
Yeah,
And Android Studio. I have to sync, right?
yeah. Close folder and open the folder.
So sync project with Trail file, right?
Is it the same project?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sync project.
yeah,
Sync project, right?
yeah. Sync project.
So configure successfully. Now can write,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So socket configuration all are added, right? Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Socket
Am I
configuration.
audible?
Yeah, socket configuration all are added, right?
No, no, no. No socket configuration added yet. First of all, I have to complete all the designs. Design part is almost done. Only a few changes are pending.
Okay.
Only a single screen is pending. Rest of the screens are done.
Okay. So can we see
After
something
after
by
the
today?
design part, sorry.
Can you see something by today?
Uh, Today I will provide you a build of complete design.
Okay. So now it's okay. Uh,
It's installing.
yes. It's showing this error.
Actually, the server is already running. Uh,
Means
did you see any command prompt open? Oh, sorry. One command is left. Please close this terminal. Command prompt. Yeah. Now run the command npm install because there
okay,
are
right?
few packages newly added. Yeah. Need to install that packages. After that, you need to add one more command, React Native link.
Yes. Okay. And now next one.
React-native
React hyphen native.
is link.
This one,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Hit enter. Now you can run the command and React Native run Android.
Do we sync from Android Studio or not? Needed?
No, no, no. No need. You can run directly. Android Studio is only for the local property. That was already added. Yeah. Click on connect button. Yeah. Now click on enter code. Yeah, there is a screen.
Okay.
When you click on add participant, then the list of participants will be added.
Okay, okay. So design you are doing all fine.
Yeah.
So
For these designs, I will provide you APK today.
okay. So can you show
You
me
need
how to?
you
Can
need
you?
IPA also.
Yeah, I need to know how you are doing from scratch. If you do from my system, it will be better for me. So I'll answer Anurag.
Yeah, I will use your code that you provide me.
No, no, no. I'm
Uh,
asking whatever things you will do after this for
Okay.
generating APK, IPA, for
Okay.
those, if you do from my system, so I can know all the steps, so I can show Anurag.
Okay. So, okay, let me first complete all the designs. Then we'll call you and connect. You can provide me TeamViewer access of your system. Then I will create APK from your system.
Or you can guide me, I can do one by one.
Sorry,
Or you can tell me the steps, I can do one by one.
I'm not getting your point.
You are taking, you are about to take the control from my system, then you will do the things. It may happen because
Yeah,
as
yeah,
you click, it will delay it. But if you say something, I can follow the step, it will be faster then.
yeah. That's also fine. I will let you know how to create
Yes.
an
Then,
APK
then
file and how to create a JKS file.
yes.
You
Then
can.
yes, I'm getting a point. Then complete your stuffs, and then call me.
Okay,
And after that, you will help me to learn, and I will do as per your instruction.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
No worries.
Okay then.
Okay, okay, Kalyan. Thank you.
Yes, welcome. So can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So what to do?
First of all, open VS Code.
Okay.
Uh, just a
Now,
minute. Let me push my code. Check in. Check in my code. Actually, yes, Kalyan. Please check out the code.
so I need to take letters, right?
Yeah, pull the code.
I think it's done. So how can I know that the code is there at my system?
Uh, Open routes folder. Have you seen any routes? Routes. Yeah.
Yes. Now.
Routes under stack index.js. Yeah. Under this.
Yes. That is there
Yeah.
was
It's a.
a change. It was
Yeah.
from previous check-in. It was there. Anything extra you add?
Yeah. It is updated. I think. Click on stack navigation. Yeah. It's updated. Yeah. There is a chat screen.
Okay. So it's updated, right?
Yeah, updated.
Okay. And tell me the next step.
So open this code in VS Code, in Android Studio
Yes.
for the local properties.
And so let me think, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's done.
Okay. So now you have to run the command npm install for node modules, update node module packages under the VS Code.
npm install, right?
Yeah, npm install.
Okay, done. Now,
Uh, Actually, I forgot one thing. I did not provide the chat screen route in this code. When you click on a particular message, then the message chat screen will be open. That part is pending.
not an issue. The target is, if it is so, what is the problem?
No, there is no problem at all. Okay, so you continue with the APK building. So copy that command that I have sent you on the Skype.
Okay. What is the purpose of the comment?
This command is used for making a bundle, combine all the libraries and all the dependency into a single unit.
Okay. So should I run? Check. Should I run this thing?
Yes. Wait for few seconds.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's done.
Now open Android Studio and resync the project again.
Okay, resync, right? Sync project.
Yeah.
Okay, done.
Done. Now in the top menu there is a button build.
Build.
Yeah, build.
Now,
Generate signed or bundle APK. Yeah.
now,
APK.
next.
Click on
Now,
next. Now you have to create new key store. Click on create new.
okay.
path of the key store where you want to store the JKS file.
within the project?
Maybe it's your wish. If you want to store it within the project, then you can.
Okay, so I have to choose a path, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
you can store it in uh, within the project Android folder under then enter in the app folder.
okay, so let me open that one, and then chat, then this one, then Android, then app, right?
Yeah,
So
any name,
name,
right? Gchat is okay.
oh,
G- Okay, click on okay.
okay.
Yeah,
Now password
yeah. Password as you wish.
1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now
Then the name alias of the key is same 0 and password is 123456. Same password you can use.
okay, okay. Now
Now fill the below details.
for the organization's name information, right?
Yeah,
Is it mandatory?
yeah. Only organizational unit and first name last name. You can use only name maybe. I don't know it is mandatory or not because I have to fill all the details. Click on OK.
Now next,
Yeah, click on next button.
release and
Debug,
this
debug. Release, you can click on release.
for release APK, right?
Yeah, and check both the B1 and B2 APK. Yeah, click on finish. Wait for a few minutes. Yeah, please expand this pop-up message. Expand. Yeah, click on locate.
So this is APK. This is APK, right? For
Yeah,
Android.
here is your APK for Android.
And how to create for
For
iOS?
iOS,
Yes.
iOS for the iOS you need Mac system
Okay.
and Xcode and one Apple account. These three things are required.
Okay. That for that thing. If Anurag asks, then then you can discuss with Anurag to show all the things.
Yeah,
To
yeah, yeah.
understand
Uh,
the Mac system.
okay, no worries.
For now, just let me open. Let me start from here. See how much you did. Let's start.
Sorry.
So how much you did? Let's start. We need to check, right? And installing mobile. Check. Can I start checking?
I already checked in the code. Whatever I did.
Yes, that is what I'm telling you. Let me check at my end. Just help me to check. Let me install.
Okay, you can check and let me know.
It's giving error. Hello. It's giving error. So what should I do?
Let me read the error first. Can you please scroll down?
Sorry.
Scroll up.
Okay, just wait.
Wait for publish notes on the
What to do?
Wait, let me check. Where is the issue? Maybe there is an issue with. Okay, Kalyan, do one thing. Uh, Please open this in Folder Explorer and delete the build folder
Which one? Okay, delete the wheel folder. So
under Android.
okay, so we can do
Android.
like in that way.
Yeah. After the app, this one build folder
You can
and
this
under Android,
we can do this
expand the
thing.
app.
Yeah, I'm just doing by comment.
Okay. Gradle clean.
I clean that field.
Wow. I did not use this command. मैं तो वही करता हूँ। Is your device connected?
Is my device connected? What is this?
Android development device is not available.
Okay.
If you want to test the APK, you can simply paste the APK in your phone that we created. You can check from there.
Mobile app, right? That app created, right? You're talking about.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Simply paste the APK in your phone and then execute that APK.
Okay, I think it will be done quickly now. It's all connected.
Okay.
so it's connected. But one thing here, why this error?
Check the render method of sidebar. These are just warnings.
Okay. So you have did this one next.
Yeah, I have to provide a unique props to every element.
Okay, so what would be your will you complete by tomorrow?
Sorry?
Will you complete by tomorrow?
Yeah, design part is complete by
But
tomorrow.
I'm just asking you the integration. Will you complete by tomorrow?
For the whole socket work you are asking about.
Yes, yes.
For socket work, it will take around 1 to 2 days because I have to change all the uh, functions of the code also, and I have to implement the socket also in this code. So that will take time.
Can you see something by tomorrow?
Uh, by tomorrow might be socket connection is done, and
At least
will
one,
do
one to
will
one
do
chat.
my best whatever I want. But I
Yeah, at least
will
one to
show
one
you.
chat.
Not sure about one-to-one chat because there are so many things to change in your code, and also I have to make the changes in this code also because some of the functionalities are not working yet. Like drawer functionality is not completed yet because there are few things pending in the design part also. So that's why I will ask you to show you the update day after tomorrow.
Okay, let's see tomorrow. I'll check your progress then.
Yeah, I will show you whatever I will do by tomorrow. We'll
Okay,
check in the code and also provide you the APK.
okay.
Okay, Kilian? Is
Yeah,
everything okay?
yeah, okay, all fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.